Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth video on the series of videos on ratio word problems. Now I'm going to focus on the fourth strategy called the number times value method. Okay, so let's look at this question. Shahid had some $2 notes and $5 notes. The ratio of his $2 notes to his $5 notes was 7:2. He had a total of $214. So find the total number of $2 notes, total number of $5 notes, total value of $2 notes, and total value of $5 notes. So basically, I just written down all the different questions that might appear, okay, in your exam. But usually in exam, they will just choose one of these, okay. So in this strategy, what we need to understand is that there's a difference between the number and the value. Number refers to the quantity. So for example, if I say there are 5 $2 notes, 5 is the number, $2 is the value or the amount or the price of each note. So there are 5 $2 notes. What is the total value? 5 times $2 is $10. If there are 10 $5 notes, 10 is the number, $5 is the value. So number times value, 10 times $5 will give you the total value, which is $50. Okay, so now let's draw the number times value method so that we can find the answer to all these 4 questions. Okay, so what is the number ratio? The number ratio is 7:2. Okay, and the value is $2 is to $5. Okay, so please take note that this is the ratio, not the actual number of notes. They are units, 7 units and 2 units. So how to find the total value? So the total value will be number times value. So number times value. So 7 times 2 is 14 units and 2 times 5 is 10 units. Okay, since the question says that the total is $240, you can add them up. 14 units plus 10 units is 24 units. So 24 units is equals to $240. 1 unit is 240 divided by 24, which is 10. So when you are using number times value method, please take note that 1 unit can be $10 or can also mean 10 notes. Okay, we will see why is it like that later. So now, what does the question ask us to find? Part A, find the total number of $2 notes. So how many units for $2 notes? 7 units. Okay, so for part A, we need to find 7 units. So that will give us 70 notes. For part B, how many notes are there? What is the total number of $5 notes? So the units is 2. So 2 units is 20. For part C, they ask us to find the total value of $2 notes. So where is the total value in the table? Here, for total value of $2 notes, total value of $2 notes, it will be 14 units. Okay, so 14 times 10 is $140, since the value will have the dollar sign. And what is the total value of $5 notes? 10 units. So 10 units is equals to 10 times 10, $100. Okay, so these are the answers for the 4 different questions. Now, how do we check whether our answers are right? Okay, so what we can do is just put the numbers back into the answer. So now 7 units is 70. That means there are actually 70 $2 notes, and there are 2 units of $5 notes, and 2 units equals to 20. So what is 70 times $2? It's $140. And what is 20 times $5? It's $100. Okay, so is that correct for part C and part D? Yes. And if we add them up, 140 plus 100, we will get $240, which the question gave us. Okay, so confirm our answer will be correct. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to use the number times value method. Just take note that number is the amount, number is the quantity and value is the amount or the price. Okay, and to get total value, you take number times value. And be careful, okay, what does the question ask you to find? Is it the number or the value? Okay, so you can use your 1 unit for both number and value, or even the total value. Okay, so see you in the next videos on changing ratios. All the best. Bye.